Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to explore the role of web analytics in digital marketing success. Let's get into the video. Web analytics tracks and analyzes website data to understand visitor behavior, helping inform marketing decisions. Web analytics measures website performance using metrics like traffic sources, page views, bounce rate, conversion rate, user behavior, exit pages, and goal tracking. Two main types of web analytics or on-site analytics measures website activity, while off-site analytics tracks online presence. Types of web analytics in digital marketing. Descriptive, summarizes past data, traffic, views, to understand historical performance. Diagnostic, investigates causes behind specific events, traffic drops, high bounce rates. Predictive, forecasts future trends and user behavior based on past data. Prescriptive, recommends future actions based on data analysis. Real-time, tracks website activity instantly for immediate monitoring. Behavioral, analyzes user interactions, actions, clicks, time spent, on the website. Web analytics significantly enhances digital marketing by providing data-driven insights for informed decision-making and tracking campaign performance through metrics like traffic and conversions. It improves user experience by analyzing behavior to identify areas for enhancement, boosts conversion rates by pinpointing drop-off points, and optimizes marketing budgets by focusing on the most effective channels. Additionally, it offers a competitive edge by continuously monitoring trends, allowing businesses to adapt strategies and stay ahead of competitors. Web analytics is crucial in digital marketing as it helps businesses understand user behavior, track campaign performance, and optimize strategies. It provides valuable insights that enhance decision-making, improve customer engagement, increase conversions, and ensure more efficient use of marketing resources. Implementing web analytics effectively in digital marketing involves several best practices. First, define clear goals to guide your efforts, such as increasing conversions or engagement. Next, choose the right tools that suit your business needs, like Google Analytics or SEMrush, for accurate data collection. It's essential to set up tracking for key metrics, including traffic, bounce rates, and conversions, to evaluate strategy effectiveness. Segmenting your audience based on demographics or behavior allows for more targeted marketing campaigns. Regularly monitor data to identify trends and adjust strategies accordingly. Finally, utilize A/B testing to experiment with different approaches and optimize results based on data-driven insights. To leverage web analytics for digital marketing success, businesses should monitor campaign performance by tracking metrics like traffic, engagement, and conversions. Understanding audience demographics and behavior allows for tailored marketing strategies that resonate with the right users. Analytics can also optimize website content by highlighting popular pages and identifying underperforming ones, enhancing user engagement. Improving conversion rates involves pinpointing drop-off points in the conversion funnel and making necessary adjustments. Efficient resource allocation focuses efforts on the most effective channels, maximizing return on investment. Lastly, measuring ROI through web analytics enables businesses to evaluate the success of their marketing initiatives and refine their strategies accordingly. Essential website analytics tools. Google Analytics tracks traffic, user behavior, and conversions. Matomo, open source, emphasizes data privacy. SEMrush, keyword research, SEO insights, competitor analysis. Hotjar, heat maps and session recordings for user behavior. Crazy Egg, heat maps and scroll maps for visitor interactions. MozPro, SEO focus with keyword tracking and site audits. Ahrefs, backlink analysis, keyword research, competitive analysis. Future trends in web analytics for digital marketing. AI and machine learning will enhance web analytics with predictive insights and automated data processing. Voice search analytics will optimize SEO for voice queries. Cross-device tracking will monitor user behavior across multiple devices. Real-time data analysis will enable immediate adjustments. Focus on user privacy will ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR. Automation of data insights will save time, allowing marketers to focus on strategic decisions. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you until next time.